Yeda AI, tips and tricks. What is AI, really? Your phone finishes your sentences. Your bank blocks fraud in milliseconds. That's AI. But what is it really? Traditional software follows rules a human wrote. If this, then that. AI flips it. You show the computer thousands of examples, and it figures out the rules itself. That's machine learning. Show it 1,000,000 photos labeled cat or not cat, and it learns whiskers and ears on its own. Nobody programs what a cat is. The newest wave, generative AI, goes further. It doesn't just recognize patterns. It creates text, images, even code. AI isn't magic. It's pattern matching at superhuman scale. Full guide. Tap Find More in the caption. Yeda AI, tips and tricks. The AI onion. AI, machine learning, deep learning, not the same thing. Here's the map. It's an onion. Outer layer, artificial intelligence. Anything that mimics human smarts. Inside, machine learning. It learns from examples. One layer down sits deep learning, brain-inspired networks. The core, generative AI, the kind that creates. Spam filter, machine learning. Face unlock, deep learning. The chatbot writing your emails, generative AI. Each one a layer deeper. So when a tool claims it's AI-powered, ask, which layer? Every chatbot is AI, but almost none of AI is a chatbot. Full guide, tap Find More in the caption. Yeda AI, tips and tricks. Why data quality beats size. Your AI has read more than any human ever will, but only the best 1% made the cut. Big models start from a mountain of text, thousands of trillions of pieces. Then comes a brutal filter. Only about 1% is good enough to learn from. Garbage in, garbage out. Build on junk, and the whole thing collapses like a skyscraper on quicksand. And the same rule applies to you. When you ask an AI for help, the quality of what you feed it, your question, your examples, your documents, decides what you get back. Power move, curate. 3 great examples beat 30 messy ones. Your AI is what it eats. Feed it well. Full guide. Tap Find More in the caption. Yeda AI, tips and tricks. How AI actually learns. AI doesn't memorize the internet. It learns like a toddler. Guess, check, adjust. Billions of times. Here's the training loop. Show the model some text. It guesses the next word. Compare with the real answer. Then nudge its internal settings just a tiny bit. Repeat. Billions of times. Those settings are called parameters. When you hear a model has 70 billion parameters, that means 70 billion little dials, all tuned by that loop. Why you care? Once trained, the model is frozen. It doesn't quietly learn from your chats. If it should remember something, you have to tell it, or use its memory features. AI isn't magic. It's trial and error at superhuman speed. Full guide. Tap Find More in the caption. Yeda AI, tips and tricks. How chatbots get their manners. After reading half the internet, an AI still doesn't know how to talk to you. That takes finishing school. It's called fine-tuning. 3 steps. First, show it perfect human-written answers. Second, humans rank its attempts from best to worst, teaching a judge good taste. Third, that judge becomes an automated coach, guiding the AI toward answers people actually like. That's why a chatbot feels helpful instead of like fancy autocomplete. Thousands of human opinions are baked into it. And the same trick works in your prompts. Show one example of a great answer, then rank what it gives you back. Raw intelligence is trained. Good manners are taught. Full guide. Tap Find More in the caption. Yeda AI, tips and tricks. AI creativity dials. 50 seconds. The 3 dials that control your AI's creativity, and almost nobody touches them. Temperature is the spice level. Keep it low and the AI plays it safe, predictable, factual. Turn it up, adventurous, creative. Top K is a short menu, only the 5 most popular dishes. Top P is the smart menu, it grows or shrinks with the chef's confidence. In code, it's one setting. Low for pulling out facts, high for brainstorming. And on some of the newest AI models, the dials are gone. You just tell the model how hard to think. Creativity is a setting. Tune it, don't pray for it. Full guide. Tap Find More in the caption. Yeda AI, tips and tricks. Every AI chatbot you've used read secret instructions before you typed a word. Here's how to write them. It's called the system prompt, the director's notes for the model. One block of text sets the personality, the rules, and the exact output format. Same model, one line. You are a senior code reviewer, flag issues as bullets, never rewrite the code. Power trick, keep it frozen. Word for word identical, so it gets cached, and repeat calls cost about 90% less. The model is the actor. Your system prompt is the script. Full guide, tap find more in the caption.